What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be checking out a Bluetooth speaker or a mini Bluetooth speaker. Now this speaker is called the Tek S3 and I picked this up on Amazon for about 14 bucks, and you can also get it on eBay for a little bit cheaper, so I'll throw both links in the description below in case you guys want to check it out after. Now if you guys are into traveling, you get out a lot, or maybe work outside and you want to take your music with you, this mini Bluetooth speaker looks very promising. We just got to see how it sounds, guys. Alright, so let's check out the box first. So it's a pretty simple box, you know, not too much going on. It's all black with a little hook for the little pegs on the walls. Alright, now this is called the Tek. It's wireless super portable LED speaker. Okay, so we might have some lighting going on there. S3, which I'm going to assume is the model, and then of course it's Bluetooth. Side here it says long-lasting battery, hands-free calling, so you can have a very loud speaker. To the back here, oh, world famous warranty. All of our products are backed with a limited lifetime warranty, guys. That's pretty interesting. Do make sure to check that out if you guys go ahead and purchase a speaker. And of course you can follow them on their social medias. So powerful sound, deeper bass, and unstoppable music. Can't wait to check it out. Oh, okay, it seems like we can have a optional micro SD card, guys. So you can just have constant playing, pop a SD card in there with all your favorite tunes on there, and you should be good to go. In the box we have the speaker, micro USB charger, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not sure if this is the red one. I actually just picked up a random one. So let's check it out. Grab my box cutter right here. We're gonna pop this little portable speaker open. Now another reason why I picked this up, because this speaker had no reviews at the time when I purchased this. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna have, probably should have some more up, so I kind of wanted to try it out for myself to see if it's, you know, worth 14 bucks. It might be, actually. It's 14 bucks, guys. All right, so okay, so it's packaged pretty well. And here we have some reading material, user manual, but I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to pair up a Bluetooth speaker. If you don't know, there's the instructions right there. You know, a little plastic on the top. There's the speaker. Let's get the cable out. Get it out the way. Alright, so micro USB cable, pretty standard. Everyone knows what this is. There we go. And this is the speaker, guys. Pretty cool speaker. Alright, not bad. Pretty light. Okay, really light. It's not that heavy at all. Alright, so this is the red one. As you guys can see, it's kind of a orangish reddish color, but still a little bit red. Looks like the sound will be coming up from the bottom, shooting upward, so should be a lot better than it, you know, coming towards you. It's going just up in the air. It's more of a 360 sound, so whether you're behind it or the side of it, the sound should be the same. Alright, so we have the DC 5V input. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay, so this is kind of a toggle wheel. So you hit it for volume. Oh, so this one button controls everything, which we'll figure out. Or this one wheel. So we have volume down, volume up. Oh, you can even press it in to probably play and pause. And then depending for, you know, how you, I guess, turn it, you can actually skip the tracks as well. Alright, and this is where the micro SD card will go in, which we'll try it in a few. And we have the on and on button, and then we have the USB right there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, let's turn this on. Okay, let's see. Okay. Alright, now it's a very cheap speaker, of course, but if it works, then it might be worth the 14 bucks.
Ready for connection.
Alright, so let me go ahead, grab my phone, and we'll set this bad boy up. Alrighty, so I went ahead and grabbed my phone right here, and let's see how easy it's going to be to pair up. So we're going to go over to Bluetooth, pretty basic stuff. We're going to hit pair, and let's see if it finds it. It's still blinking the blue, well, multiple LED colors. There it is, S3. So far, so good.
Bluetooth connected.
There we go. Bluetooth connected. Alright, so I'm going to go over to the non-copyright YouTube channel on YouTube. And let's see how this thing sounds. I'm just gonna go ahead and play a random one. Now, if you guys have some favorite non-copyright tunes that you often listen to, or probably put it on some of your videos, you know, I'd appreciate it. Hit it up on the comments below. I can actually use a couple good ones. Alright, so I'm just gonna go with this random one. Let me wait past the ads. Okay, here we go. So we got this Tyler. So shout out to you for making this track. Alright, sounds pretty dope. Okay, so I'm going to turn it up on the speaker. Alright, let's see how this control works. Okay.
Maximum volume.
So it looks like if you hold it down, it turns it up. Hold it down the opposite way, it goes down, and then... Okay, if you just tap it, it goes to the next tune. Okay, so that's pretty dope, guys. I guess that's gonna come in really handy if you're gonna use it with the micro SD card. That's pretty dope. Okay, alright, so let's max it out.
Maximum volume. Maximum volume.
Okay.
Maximum volume.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead a little bit on this, or skip. Just speed it up a little bit. Okay, you have some cool LED lights going on there, guys. Now, do keep in mind this is a $14 speaker, and you could probably pick this up on eBay for a little bit cheaper. Okay, so it's pretty much, it's okay, guys. It's not great, it's okay. It lacks bass. I'm not really getting any crazy bass from it, even though the box says deeper bass, but I couldn't hear a single bass out of it. But if you're, you know, if you're listening to not a lot of, I guess, bass heavy tracks, you know, then this might be for you guys. Once again, this is for $14. You can pick it up on eBay for probably like 10 bucks. I think I saw it on eBay for about $10. And it works, guys. It works. Alright, so let me go ahead, grab the SD card, and see if the SD part of the speaker actually works, guys. Alrighty, guys, so I went ahead and grabbed I had a little extra micro SD card right here. It's an 8 GB, and I had 2 non-copyright songs on my actual phone itself, guys. On the actual phone, not through a streaming app, but on my phone itself. So let's pop this in. I was able to transfer it over to this SD card that I had, this extra one. Let's drop it in here and see, because I think this is going to be the best part of the speaker. Because if this works, that pretty much means you can preload or load, you know, maybe your favorite songs on here, maybe, you know, 10, 20, 100, and you could just let it just play, guys. Now, this might be a cool gift for, you know, someone who's not really into the modern tech as far as streaming or Bluetoothing. You know, you can get them one of this, pack their favorite songs up on the SD card, drop it in there, and all you gotta do is turn it on. Alright, and then I believe if we just hit play,
card music.
Okay, so there, look at that, guys. That is so cool. So just so I can show you, I'm not even connected. My Bluetooth is not on at all. There's nothing connected to it. Bang, nothing. And you guys heard the speaker itself just read the SD card. So I think that's pretty awesome, guys. That's pretty dope.
Maximum volume.
Alright, let's just hear how this sounds. I think just that feature alone is actually pretty cool. Taking it back a little bit. Alright, let's see how the skipping works. Okay. There we go, guys. That's pretty dope. I kind of dig that. That's pretty neat. It's pretty cool that we still have something like this that, you know, actually works pretty cool. And I think that's all I have to say about the speaker. We're going to end the video right here. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you think it might benefit somebody, share it. You know, and drop some comments. What do you think about this, I guess, self-playing speaker? Drop your SD card in there, put your favorite tracks on there, and just let this bad boy just play all day long, guys. Alright, so, you know, purchase links in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. All the specs, battery life, etc. they'll all be in the description below as well. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.